Okay, some students have questions on how to make this PDF documents editable in Google Classroom, meaning that you can type on it and put your answers in it. So you go into Mrs. Osagade's fifth grade class. This is one of these older assignments. It was due on the 24th, but it has a PDF document, and that's how I'm sending you your classwork. So the first thing you should do is click on it to open it up. It opens up the way it's supposed to. It's still in PDF form, but you can't type anything on here to save your answers. You have to go over here to the snowman, one, two, three dots, that's why we're calling it a snowman, and you have to open in a new window. Once you open it in a new window, in the center part right here, you'll see where it says open with. You want to open it with Cami. Cami allows you to use text boxes, markers, or anything to write on a document and put your answers on the document. So you always want to open it with Cami. So that's what we're doing. And I made a change earlier today, and it does allow me to go back in and make additional changes. So I want to show you guys that. So we started at the top, and I just scrolled down to where it is asking us to put answers in, okay? So click out of it, side of it if you don't want it to pop up a text box. But all I did was went over here to the T, and I clicked in the section that I want to type an answer. What do you do if you want to use more lights or fewer lights? And what are some of the other fractions? So what you would do is you would type your response. I would use smaller fractions to get more lights. So once you finish typing your response, you go click on here so you can see that your response is there. You come up here to this toolbar. It has open file, share documents, print, or save. You click on that save. And what it's doing is it's showing you there's one unsaved change. So you say save now, and it's going to save it, and it's going to change this from unsaved to saved. Once it does that, you know it's in your Google Drive, not mine. It's in your Google Drive. So what you can do is go up here to the tab, close it out. When you get back to your assignment, which is back here, where we started at, when you have to turn it in, you have to make sure you attach a file. So I'm going to show you someone else's file that they've turned in. You click on it. I'm clicking on an assignment that the student has turned in. Over here is where we're talking about attaching it. So Keandre went into his Google Drive, which is at the waffle. Your Google Drive is always here, and it'll have that triangle. You go in there to find your document that you just typed, and then you just attach it. Once you attach it, you just return it in. See how it says turned in? And then I can grade it. Any other questions about this, please be sure to let me know, and I hope this video helps.